Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 15 update with Lori. So how's it going, Lori, so far?
Really good, yeah.
I know that you already reached your final goal a few weeks ago. Right now you are at maintenance mode. Like you are not,
Yeah.
your goal is not to lose any more weight, right? You just keep it off, right?
I mean, I know I will. I'm going to
Yeah.
lose some more weight just because I want to challenge myself to that.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm just sitting in the maintenance mode and just learning how to do that. And
But do you think in the future, let's say 6 months from today or a year from today, if let's say you decide to enjoy food more or let the weight to go up a little bit, do you have confidence how to throw it down?
for sure, I'm not afraid of that at all anymore.
Yeah.
Not at all. Like,
Because this is the biggest challenge for people who, when they lose weight,
yeah,
their main concern is not to gain back the weight they lost.
true.
But
Yeah.
right now, like you are saying with confidence, it's not a big deal. Like
No,
you
not at
can
all.
let the weight go up.
Yep.
You know how to drop it down,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yep.
And it's hard for all of us, like when we have a certain like specific lifestyle. It's hard to get for each one of us to get out of our comfort zone,
Mm-hmm.
right? And stop doing the things or the habits that we usually do, right?
Yep.
But last week, like you exceeded my expectations, so I give you a credit, and like you managed to improve you improve your lifestyle, right? Like change something that will improve your health, right?
Yes, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
And you replace a bad habit with a good habit, right?
Yes.
And you did that by yourself without asking, without being asked to do that.
Well, yeah, it's for health reasons,
Yes.
and I know with this program how you've taught us about different things, and so there was the one thing that I refrained from last week, and it was good, it was fine, and there were other things that I did. I did enjoy last week, you know, a few things that I ate that are not the best
Yes.
for me, but I didn't gain any weight.
That's good. That's
And,
still good.
yeah.
Like one of
Feel
the
good.
things we learned that like we are not, when it comes to following a specific diet plan or something like that. No one is doing it 100%
Right.
right, which to be realistic, because sometimes we would like to enjoy our time when we go
Yeah.
outside with friends or something like that, right?
Yeah.
But if you have the knowledge and the science of how to take care of your health and like maintain your weight, that will give you more confidence, I think, like
Oh yeah.
when it comes to control the weight.
Control,
So
yeah.
to control, right?
Mhm.
Because when you say control, that doesn't mean that the weight has to be straight line. Like
No.
I've never seen anyone like his weight or her weight will be straight line forever, right?
Yeah.
Because it's very normal that we gain weight a little bit
Yeah.
once in a while, like if you go vacation, for example.
Yeah.
Right, you
But
go
that's
out
the
to
fear.
eat. Yes.
That's the fear people have.
Yes.
Is like, oh, if I gain it back, oh, then I got to work so hard. But this program eliminates the fear, I think, because it gives me control back,
That's
and
right.
it's not being deprived.
Exactly.
It's just being controlled.
That's right.
It's
And
different.
this is, if you look at the weight chart, you will find that like you let your weight to go up and go down, going up,
Yeah.
down, right? So you let it go. There is no.
I chose that.
Yeah, exactly. So you are in control,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
This is really good. This is like a huge accomplishment.
I think so. Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, yeah.
Excellent. Very good. So you already close or you exceed or you hit your final goal, unless if you change it, which is doable now for
Yeah.
you.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Mhm.
So, like people will find it very hard to believe that when you say, okay, I can decide what my weight should be, and I can
Yes.
get it there.
Yeah. I've never. You know what?
Yeah.
I never ever
Yeah.
thought
Yeah.
that I could do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna choose. I choose a number,
Yes.
and I know I can get to it,
Yes.
and I will.
Yeah.
And I
stay
know I
there.
can.
Yeah, that's it.
And if I choose to stay there, I will. And if I want to gain a little bit more, I will. This is a program that
Yeah.
I never thought would work as good as it is.
So what is the secret behind that, or why you have confidence that you can control your weight?
Because I've done it. I've already been doing it.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why. So during this journey, we're not just focusing go down. No.
No.
Like we had some obstacles, you know,
Yeah,
you just
yeah.
some gains,
Yeah.
but we were very relaxed mode.
Yeah.
In a
I am now,
comfort,
yeah, for sure. At the
Very good.
beginning, I might not have been,
Yes.
but now I sure am now.
Very good,
Yeah.
excellent, excellent. Okay, so for the coming few weeks until finish this journey,
Okay.
I wish you best of luck, and I'm sure that you are in control 100%. I have no concerns about what will happen in the future.
Good. Thank
Very
you,
good.
Aidan.
Thank you so much, Lori. Very good.